Cheetahs are incredible creatures. They're the fastest land animals, reaching 100 km/h in just 3 seconds. But that's not all. While sprinting, they can change direction mid-air, thanks to their tails acting as balance wheels. Unlike other cats, their claws remain extended, providing grip and stability. When they run, their breathing rate skyrockets to 150 breaths per minute. Surprisingly, male cheetahs form groups, working together to hunt and defend their territory. And those black tear marks on their faces, they're nature's sunglasses, reducing glare and enhancing vision. Cheetahs are not just fast, they're fascinating.